good. You know what to do, son?
Yep. I learned from Nana's when we were at Nana's house, remember?
No.
To hold the clutch down.
And turn the key.
Yeah.
And then we went right with.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Now?
Yeah, when you're ready, we're just gonna drive onto the road there, follow it around.
Why is it? Oh, the handbrake.
Yeah, but take your time and think about everything you're doing, yeah?
The
What
handbrake.
gear do you need first?
Yeah.
No, don't come off the clutch down a bit, don't come off straight away. Remember, you got to look first, because when you come out of here, there's other cars there, isn't it?
Mhm.
Yeah, you use your little mirror.
Stop
Bit more
whispering.
left. Bit more
Okay,
left. There's
clutch
still
down.
It's still on your side, right? You're on the wrong side, mate.
Oh,
Yeah, it's two sides.
it's
you want.
realistic now.
Yeah, you have to do it properly now. Clutch a bit higher.
I'll go too fast.
You won't, you're fine. Keep turning. That's it. Straighten up quickly. No. That's it. And then left as well. Not too much, because you're going to go on the pavement. Turn more. So straighten up, quickly, That's it. Clutch all the way down. And we're going to stop before the giveaway line. Yeah? That's it. Your seatbelt's not on as well. Let's put your seatbelt on, please. That's it.
Thank you. Thanks, Dad.
Ready?
Yep.
Clutch. So turning right out here, yeah?
Yep.
Look first, make sure it's safe. That's it.
Left mirror.
Mhm.
Is the left mirror most important?
All of them are.
Mm.
We're turning left here. Please keep left. So you got to keep on your side, okay?
Okay.
Always aim for the left side. Turn left here, please. Left. We'll signal next time for that, yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure you stay on it. No, here is it. Right, concentrate on the steering right now. You want to stay on the left side because you see right now you're on the right.
Yeah.
You should just aim to be on the left side, okay?
Okay.
Let's use more gas now, please. What do you see coming up there? What sign is that? Up ahead.
Oh, that is a roundabout sign.
Yeah, but don't put your foot there, please. Don't put your left foot there. Your left foot stays on the clutch, not near the brake, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, let's carry on. Which side do you look at on roundabouts?
Right.
Yeah, anyone on the right? On this side? It's not on there.
Yeah, someone's.
No, that's ahead of us. Let's keep moving, please. Keep moving.
I still
Oh.
remember
We're
that
going,
when
we're
you
going
told
straight
me.
though, yeah?
Oh, I thought we were turning right.
No, you said you look to your right.
Oh.
I still remember that when you told Kieran that. If there's someone on your right moving at a roundabout, don't move.
Yes. Okay, let's carry on.
I think it's really hard.
Stay on your side?
Yeah.
Let's carry on. Remember last time you said, driving's so easy, but I was like, there's lots of things to do, think about, it's harder, yeah? It's not too much, remember what, this is too fast for gear 1? Yeah. So off the gas first, yeah, clutch down. Good. That's it. That's gear 4 you're going for, that's gear 4. Gear 2 is here, okay? Off the gas, come up the clutch first, Riley, yeah?
Yep. I revved.
Yeah, don't forget clutch. That's it. Slowly off the clutch first, Riley. You're pressing the gas when your clutch is on.
Oh, it's gonna rev.
Yeah.
Zebra crossing.
There's no one there though.
I wanna stop. Okay.
Turn someone's there.
Too fast.
Sorry, Taylor.
Clutch down, please. Clutch down. Yeah, that's it. Carry on smoothly. Remember, bring the clutch up a little bit, and then hold it. A bit higher.
To the biting point.
Then hold it. Yeah, a bit higher than that. That's it. Off the brake. Yeah. Let's carry on. Remember, you can't just come off the clutch. It's not gonna work. You need to do it smoothly. Yeah.
Otherwise, you're gonna stall.
Very good.
Woohoo!
That's much better, Riley. Yeah. Well done. Turn more now. That's it. That was really good. You stayed on your side that time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's carry on.
Oh, I thought the thingy turned off.
No, don't change it. We're going to turn right at the end here, so what do we need to do?
Slow. No.
We need to indicate that we know we're turning that way.
Okay.
So signal.
It says stop. So should I stop?
The signal? I think that's for that side. That's for that junction over there.
Okay. Let's stay to my side again this time.
Yes, please. You turn a bit more next time, that's fine, you got it.
Woo!
Nice, you're doing really well. You're gonna go, no, turning straight, not too early there. You're gonna go straight here, yeah? But you see it's a giveaway line here. So you need to this clutch down, yeah? Straight on. We're going straight on though, yeah? No, straight, son. You're not listening. Straight.
Oh, straight. And then turn left.
No, we're just going straight from where that blue barrow is over there.
Okay.
So you see this is a crossroad. You can either go left, right, or straight. We're going straight, yeah?
Yep. Woo! Roundabout!
It's a lot of steering this time, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's...
Shall I take the second exit?
We're going this one here, please. Turn, pick up. That's it. Straighten up. We're going left here, yeah?
Yep.
Be ready to stop here because we can't see what's going on the inside. Clutch down, please, and brake. Signal left as well because we can't see what's going on here. Come out, go to the line slowly, okay? So you can check it out. Clutch down a bit, moving forward, clutch up a tiny bit, up a bit on the clutch. And down, so you want to check this side as well. Clutch down a bit, check this side.
I can't see.
Yeah, keep creeping forward slowly. When it's clear, we'll keep moving, yeah? Start turning left.
Okay, it's clear.
Turn. No, remember we're going left, son?
Yeah.
You're turning right though. Left is this way.
Oh.
Yeah. So clutch down a bit. So straighten out. Quickly. That's it.
Dad, are you pressing the pedals?
A little bit, yeah, because there's people around. Straighten up, please. Straighten up. This is why I'm pressing the pedals because you're not really concentrating on what you're doing right now, son.
Okay.
That's why I got to press the pedals, okay?
Yeah.
If you concentrate on what you're doing, I don't have to touch these pedals. Yeah.
Okay.
But if there's lots of people around, but then you're losing control, I have to press the pedals. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's carry on, please.
Like an actual instructor.
Yeah. Good. Well done. Now add lots of gas now. We're going to go into gear 2 in a bit, yeah? A bit more left, please. That's it. Off the gas, clutch down. Gear 2. That's better. But you need to stay on your side. No. Right, remember you got to come off the clutch smoothly first.
Oh.
Yeah?
Okay.
Take your time with it. You're rushing things a little bit, yeah? Just take your time and think about it, okay? Left, yeah? Make sure you look both sides, make sure it's safe. Make sure it's safe, there's no cars coming down. Then we make our turn, yeah? Turn, quicker. And then straighten up quickly. That's it, well done. Look what's coming up though, right here. Then, so you got to slow down. You got to look what's coming up ahead.
Yeah.
So you can slow down early enough, yeah? Slow down some more, please. More than that. That's it. And then we turn. Watch out.
Should I beep?
No. You just go around him, yeah?
Okay.
So you check your left mirror and then we go back towards the left, yeah? Check your left mirror as you're doing that, please. Make sure there's no one next to us.
Yep.
That's it. So we're going to go into gear 2 again when you're ready. But remember, take your time to do it properly. So a bit more gas. Now off the gas, clutch down. Gear 2. Then off the clutch smoothly. And then back on the gas.
All the way off
Then
the
back
clutch.
on the gas, yeah? That's it. You're pressing the gas too hard, yeah?
Why does it say 40? Oh, is that kilometers?
You've got to stop first, there's cars. See when you're here, yeah? You
Yeah.
can't just come out onto this road. You got to look there first if there's any cars coming.
Oh, okay.
Because you see this, it's got a giveaway sign here for us. Probably didn't see it, but there's a
Yeah.
giveaway thing on the floor as well. Which means we have to give way to anybody on this road first. We can't just come out without checking.
Oh, okay.
So get into gear 1. Keep checking both sides.
Oh, someone.
Yeah. So they know that we've got to wait for them, which is why they're coming through confidently. And then when it's clear, we can start moving slowly, yeah?
Clear.
Good. Start turning as well. That's it. Very good. Signal
Oh
there.
my gosh, Tejan.
Tejan, I love farting in here, man.
What, he did?
Yeah, he did
No,
fart.
seriously, don't do that. That's nasty, man.
I said excuse
We're in
you.
a, it smells like doodie. We're in a tight space here.
Yep.
Oh, can you close the windows? Sorry.
Yeah, you can go to the gas a bit quicker, like a bit earlier. You don't have to wait until you come all the way off.
Yeah, I
Once
was
you go past
wondering, like.
Because you lose much speed that way. Once you get to the bike point, you can just start pressing the gas again. Yeah. Slow down a bit here, please, because you're coming up to a bend. You've got to slow down and control it, yeah? Don't wait until you get there to start controlling it. You've got to control it before.
Yeah.
Go really slowly, please, because you've got the people there that are coming at the bend at the same time as us as well. Going to gear 1 for you, okay? if their dad's an instructor or not.
Mm-hmm.
Sure that they're safe. So, straighten up quickly. So now let's go a bit quicker, but this time you can go wherever you want, but make sure you signal first. So you
Okay.
decide where you're going, yeah?
Check my mirrors.
Just stop making sudden turns, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you already decided from before.
Yeah. Okay, I've checked my mirrors. Okay.
Very good. Where are you gonna go? This is a dead end, you know that, yeah?
Really?
Straighten up, concentrate on your steering, clutch down and brake. So you're gonna have to turn it around. Keep it, no, where are you going?
Oh.
Yeah, brake as well, because your car's rolling around now. Yeah. So where do you want to
Okay. I'm gonna like turn into there
go?
and then turn.
Your car's rolling. Brake.
Who said to call me back?
That's it. So what are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna turn into there and then I'm gonna pick up a bit of speed and then turn left. Not yet.
Just go do it really slowly.
Yep.
When you're ready.
Okay.
I mean, just get into reverse.
Too
Really.
close to the car.
Think about which
Oh,
way you
wait,
want to
am
turn
I
as
in
well.
reverse?
Yeah. Which way do you want to turn as well?
This way.
Yeah. Okay, look everywhere, make sure you say, don't use any gas, please.
Oh.
Just clutch up a tiny bit, yeah? Turn loads if you're going to turn that way then. Clutch down a bit so you don't go too fast. Look everywhere, Riley. This side as well. Really slowly, okay? Looking everywhere, looking in these little mirrors as well. Make sure that you don't hit that curb on either side.
Am I like?
No, you should stop now though. Stop. Because if you go carry on that way, your front wheel's going to hit this curb here.
Oh, okay.
Brake. Because you even need to go back anymore?
Nope. I can just carry on from here.
Clutch down a bit. Down a bit because you see your wheels are still facing over there, so you got to turn this way to make it.
All the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clutch down again. So you can control it, yeah? Start turning that way. More.
Shouldn't I have indicated?
No.
Okay.
Didn't have time to do that.
Do I stop?
No, if it's clear.
Oh, okay.
Remember, you don't use to brake that hard either, yeah? Where do you have to stop?
At the giveaway line when there's people.
Or, that was a good answer.
Or at the traffic light.
Yeah. Or if it says stop.
Wait, so you turn there to get on the hill?
No, straight down.
Dad, can you raise that?
Is that good?
window a bit?
Very good. Riley's window.
Not do that.
Hopefully we don't get any air.
At this speed. I'm gonna go around what that Mercedes did, yeah?
Through the cones.
Can you go through the cones there? Are you skillful enough?
I got skills.
Alright.
Why was I just thinking that? Touch down. Brake. Okay.
Go on, you got this.
You are watching a master. Oh, why'd you stop me, Dad?
Didn't.
Okay. Oh, I wish you could turn more.
Nice, Riley. Nice. That was really good.
Thank you.
I didn't stop you. I was ready to stop you in case you made a mistake, but you was fine.
It would have been very normal for me to make a mistake there.
Keep more left here, but we're gonna go up there to do a hill start, yeah? Just up there, mate. Up there.
So I stop?
Yeah, stop anywhere here, please. This is gonna be a hard hill start, though.
Really?
Brake more, please. Brake. A bit higher.
What?
Then yeah, remember you need to be neutral first. That's it. What's going on here?
My butler.
Yourself.
Have some, please. Thank you.
How's you doing, Tej?
How's he?
Riley.
I'm not scared anymore.
Were you really scared at first?
Yeah, he really was. He looked at the camera and said, "Help me."
Okay. Clutch all the way up to the biting point?
Like in gear though. Remember, if you're neutral, are you gonna get anything from the biting point?
Nope.
No.
Wait, hold on.
That's the biting point, right?
Trying a bit more. Yeah. Then you can release handbrake. Not too much. That's too much. Then yeah, like that. Then you can release handbrake. Yeah. That's it. Add a bit of gas as well to give it a power. I'll keep the clutch where it is. Nice.
And what is the point of hill starts?
Riley. So you need to if you're driving, Riley, you can't look away. You need to concentrate. Yeah.
Okay.
You're the one controlling the car.
Yep.
It doesn't control itself. Yeah.
Yep. What's the point of hill starts?
So that when you get on a hill, you can do it properly.
Yeah, but like, don't you just drive up it?
No. You've seen what happens when you just try to drive up it, right? You roll backwards.
True.
So if you don't practice it, you don't know what you're doing. You can go to Glaston Park or something and you get stuck there.
Did I do that too fast? I feel like I did it too fast.
If you feel like you did it too fast, what do you have to do next time?
Slow down.
How?
Pressing the brake.
Don't bring the clutch up so high.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know that guy that was sitting with that guy on the seat there? I think he was checking out Riley's driving.
Was he impressed?
He was pointing at him and smiling.
Oh no!
What happened?
Didn't indicate.
Or give
Or
way.
check. Because Karen, lucky there's no one there. If it's
But
clear,
I failed my
if you
test.
Didn't, probably if you didn't, because you didn't look, yeah.
Eesh, I need to practice more then. Way more.
Use your clutch to go a bit slower. Clutch down. Straighten out. Straighten out. Stop there, please. Brake gently, really gently. Stop. Stop riding, please. Clutch down, Randy. Clutch down. Down on the clutch. Yeah. What do you have to do now before you bring up the clutch? To you, yep. Yes.
Can I be?
No. How did Riley do, guys?
Good. Alright. He was a bit better last time.
Yeah, I really was.
He was stalling a lot today.
I think today was a bit rushed at times because you know when you think, yeah, I'm really good, so you just start doing stuff without really concentrating on it.
Yeah.
You have to always concentrate. Anything that you could improve on, guys?
Braking softly, softer.
True.
The
How about him?
turning's got better at the end.
That's exactly what I was thinking. Your steering got much better, didn't it? Yeah. Because at first you couldn't stay on your lane, could you? But now,
At first.
But now you can.
Yeah.
So well done.